Do you want to improve your speaking English, but you can't understand how you will practice? If your answer is yes, so this video for you because I'm also trying to improve my speaking English and I'm going to share with you how actually I practice my speaking English. First of all, I want to say that I don't get enough time for practicing and I don't have enough opportunity for practicing my speaking English. And whenever I get opportunity, I try to practice my speaking English. And now I'm going to share with you how actually I practice my speaking English. First of all, I randomly select a topic every day and then I try to speak on this topic minimum 1 or 2 minutes. So if you follow this technique, you can also improve your speaking English within a month. So if you don't understand what topic you should select, so you can watch this video because I will share with you every day new topic in the video and I will share with you my practicing method. So today I have decided that I will talk about my wristwatch. So without any delay, let's jumping into the practicing. So there is a wristwatch in my hand. It's a stainless watch. The color of this watch is mixed with blue and silver. You can see the screen or display is blue and this part is silver color. This is a Olives brand watch and I have bought from Jamgara, Sumir Plaza. It's located Ashulia to Baipine Highway and I have bought it by 1200 taka. I mean 1200 taka. And you can see there is a crown in the watch. We usually pull out this crown and twist this crown for correcting the time or date if the watch shows wrong date or time. To be frank, I use my watch to improve my efficiency and I don't use for fashion or stylish. I use it for saving my time and improve my efficiency. Using watch is really help us to improve our efficiency and be punctual. So we should watch. So we should use watch to save our time and be punctual, not for stylish or fashion. সো আমরা যদি প্রতিদিন এইভাবে একটা টপিকের উপর 1 মিনিট অথবা 2 মিনিট প্র্যাকটিস করি তাহলে কিন্তু আমরা আমাদের স্পিকিং ইংলিশটাকে খুব দ্রুত ইমপ্রুভ করতে পারবো। সো যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই লাইক কমেন্টস এন্ড শেয়ার করবেন আর আর চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি বাজিয়ে দিবেন যেন নতুন নতুন ভিডিও পেতে পারেন। So that's all today. Thanks for watching this video. See you again with another video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and most important, please perform salat 5 times every day. It's compulsory for every Muslim. So that's all. Assalamu alaikum.